In recent days, Windows users have been experiencing update errors like this, which prevents them from updating their system, even installing apps. Now, if you also happen to experience this, here's what you should do. Now, if your device is not connected to the internet, or if you have a weak internet connection, the update will fail to install, leading to the error at hand. This is why we suggest you to start ensuring that your internet connection is stable. You can try reconnecting to your Wi-Fi router as a first step, and if that did not work, switch to another connection and try installing the update again. For the next solution, clear the software distribution folder. Do that by opening Disk Cleanup, select Cleanup System Files, mark the checkbox next to Windows Update Cleanup. If available, you can also mark the checkbox next to previous Windows installations. Now doing so will delete Windows' old file. After that, you have to click on OK and wait for Windows to complete the uninstallation process. Lastly, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter by opening Settings, go to System, go to Troubleshoot, select Other Troubleshooter, and then run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Those are the following fixes if you're having the same problem in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.